In this video, we're going to take a look at dividing a polynomial by a monomial. So that means we're dividing something with more than one term by one term. So I'm going to just take a look at these two examples with you. The first one says, simplify 15y cubed plus 6y squared plus 3y, all divided by 3y. So what I recommend is we rewrite it as 15y cubed divided by 3y. Plus 6y squared divided by 3y, plus 3y divided by 3y. So I'll just take each term in the numerator and divide it by the denominator, and that way I can cancel out the numerator with the denominator as needed. So it turns into like an exponent rules kind of problem. So we have 15 divided by 3 would give us 5. And then we have y cubed divided by y to the first power, so we would subtract. And we would say y to the 3 minus 1 power would be y squared. Or you can think of there are 3 y's in the top and 1 in the bottom. So 1 would cancel out, and you're left with 2 in the numerator. All right, in the next term, we have 6 divided by 3, so we would put plus 2. And then you have 2 y's in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So 2 minus 1 is just 1y left over. And then in the last term, we have 3 divided by 3, which would be 1, and y divided by y. So all of that would just be 1. You don't want to put nothing because you do have something there, and it's divided by itself, which always just equals 1. All right, let's look at the next example. So we're just going to work this one the same way. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator all separately divided by the denominator. So like 6x to the 4th y cubed divided by 3xy plus 12x cubed y squared divided by 3xy minus 18x squared y divided by 3xy. And that way you're able to cancel and see what you got. So you got 6 divided by 3, which would be 2. X to the 4th divided by x to the 1st would be 4 minus 1. So that would leave us with x cubed. And then y cubed divided by y to the first power would be 3 minus 1. And that would leave us with y squared. All right, so then we have the next term, 12 divided by 3, which is 4. X cubed divided by x to the first power. So dividing, we need to subtract our exponents. So we have x to the 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then y, we have 2 minus 1 for our exponent. So 2 minus 1 will leave us with just 1y. And you don't have to write the 1. In the last term, we have 18 divided by 3, and it's minus. So make sure to put a minus sign or a negative. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. We have x squared divided by x to the first, so 2 minus 1 is just 1. And then y to the first divided by y to the first would just cancel out, and it equals 1, but you've already got negative 6x, so there's no need to write the 1. All right, so that's it for this